So this is the voice box, and I'm going to show you how it comes together. All the bits are attached to this little wooden board via shoes, and in the corners you'll see, well, first of all, on the back side there's a button and a speaker, and in the corners you'll see these little metal posts, and if I look inside the box itself, there are corresponding magnets inside of the box, and that allows me to pretty easily slide the board inside the box, and it all lines up perfectly so the little button comes through the bottom of the box, and it goes in there with a satisfying snap. I think of that as like a little homage to the littleBits magnets myself. I can turn it on here. And the back plate goes on the same way, so there's some little magnets. Actually, I have this on backwards. Let me switch that around. And that snaps on as well and holds on quite firmly. And that's basically how it works. There's a pulse bit in it, so every time I push the button,
thank you very much. I'm delighted.
It changes to a different story.
There's a story that kind of ties into this. It's kind of cute. One of the things that I asked, when I came, I got a remarkable.
The box itself began its life as a cigar box, much like this one. I really like the edges, and when you stain them, they really come out and looking nice. I cut the box in half to get the proper size, so it looks sort of like that if I line them up, and you can see those edges. For the speaker holes, I used a sink strainer as a guide for my drill. I just laid it on top of there and I fastened it down with some tape, I believe, and then used a hand drill to cut the holes. I put another piece of wood on the other side of it, which was required to have the holes be as clean as they are. I used a hand drill much like this one here. Pretty old school, but it worked out pretty nice.